Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by signing into your Google account and enabling Google Photos backup so your edits sync. Once done, collect the photos and write short prompts describing subject, mood, and style. This guides the AI. Make sure to pick aspect ratio and output size early because it affects composition. Next, open Google Photos or Gemini image tools and select Generate or Edit with AI. This first action moves you straight into the creative loop and prepares the platform to accept your images and prompts. Now you refine the prompt and inputs to shape the result. Upload your source photo or choose Create Right Arrow Generate and attach that reference. The AI blends your prompt with the image. Then add specific guidance, lighting, color palette, focal point, even lens type, to control realism versus stylization. Adjust sampling strength and iteration count to balance preservation and novelty. Make sure to preview multiple variations because small prompt edits produce big visual changes. Select the closest match and iterate until composition, tones, and detail align. To finish, export your chosen variant as a high-resolution PNG or JPEG and enable metadata and backups so you can recover edits later. Once exported, use built-in retouch and healing for small artifacts, or open an external editor for sharpening and color grading. If results are off, troubleshoot by lowering generation strength, simplifying the prompt, or supplying additional reference images. This reduces hallucination and improves fidelity. Finally, save versioned copies so you can revert and iterate without losing earlier successes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.